Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on November 11th, end of World War I. On November 11th, 1918, the armistice that ended World War I was signed in a railway carriage in the forest of Compiègne, France, at exactly **11 a.m., the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month **. The guns finally fell silent along the Western Front. The agreement ended 4 years of brutal conflict that had taken millions of lives and left Europe devastated. Many nations began observing this day as Armistice Day or Remembrance Day to honor those who sacrificed everything. It remains a lasting reminder of both the tragedy of war and the hope for peace. Washington becomes the 42nd U.S. state. On November 11, 1889, Washington officially became the 42nd state of the United States. The territory had grown quickly through pioneer settlements and economic expansion, making statehood the next natural step. This marked another milestone in America's westward growth during the 19th century. With its new status, Washington gained full representation in Congress and the rights of self-governance. Today, the date stands as a symbol of pride and progress for the Pacific Northwest. The first burial of the unknown soldier in the U.S. On November 11, 1921, an unidentified American soldier from World War I was laid to rest at Arlington National Cemetery in Virginia. The ceremony on Armistice Day honored all who died without recognition. President Warren G. Harding led the tribute and placed the Medal of Honor upon the soldier's casket. The burial became a timeless symbol of sacrifice and unity, representing every fallen hero who served in silence. It remains one of the most powerful traditions of remembrance in American history. The radio debut of God Bless America. On November 11, 1938, singer Kate Smith performed God Bless America, written by Irving Berlin, for the first time on national radio. The song, originally composed in 1918, was revived to mark the 20th anniversary of the end of World War I. Its emotional lyrics and uplifting melody offered hope to Americans during uncertain times. The performance quickly turned the song into one of the nation's most beloved anthems. That day, music became a voice of unity and pride for the entire country. The launch of NASA's Gemini 12 mission. On November 11, 1966, NASA launched Gemini 12, the last crewed mission of the Gemini program. Astronauts James Lovell and Buzz Aldrin completed vital spacewalks and docking tests that prepared for the Apollo moon missions. The success marked a turning point in space exploration and showed humanity's growing reach beyond Earth. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.